T-minus 1 minute and counting. Discovery now operating on internal power supplies. T-minus 35 seconds. At T31, Columbia's onboard computers will have control of vehicle functions.
Go for auto sequence start.
We have a go for auto sequence start.
20 seconds.
T-minus 15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We have a go for main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Discovery, making shuttle history and building our future in space.
Houston now controlling.
Houston. Roger, roll, Discovery.
Discovery's roll maneuver is complete. The orbiter is now in a heads down position on course for a 51.6 degree 200 statute mile orbit and a rendezvous with the International Space Station Friday afternoon. Three engines aboard Discovery now throttling down as the orbiter prepares to pass through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. Discovery's already traveling 1,000 miles per hour downrange from the launch site, 3.5 miles, currently at an altitude of 6 miles.
Discovery, go with throttle up. Go with throttle up.
All three main engines now back at full throttle. All systems aboard Discovery, 3 auxiliary power units providing electrical power to the orbiter along with the 3 fuel cells, all performing well. Downrange from the launch site, 10 miles now at an altitude of 14 miles, traveling 2,000 miles per hour. Now 1 minute, 35 seconds into the flight. At this point, Discovery's already burned more than 2 million pounds of fuel and weighs half of what it did at launch. Standing by and for burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters. That coming about 10 seconds from now at the 2 minute, 5 second point. We have confirmation of the SRB separation. Again, the 3 hydraulic systems and 3 electrical systems aboard the orbiter are in good shape. All 3 main engines still performing well at 104% of rated thrust. The twin orbital maneuvering system engines now are firing.
Discovery, 2-engine bend. 2-engine bend.
And that call indicating Discovery can reach Ben Guerir in Morocco in the event of a single engine failure. Again, however, all 3 still operating at full throttle.